Small money habits can change our whole life long before others see the change. Who would think something so tiny can grow so big? Money looks strong and scary from the outside, but even simple choices can change everything. Strange to hear, right? In a world where most people spend without thinking and save only when they feel forced, a quiet group of high earners followed a different path. They used a simple plan called the three-bucket money system, and this small system became their secret power. Their incomes grew faster, their stress dropped, and their money finally started working for them instead of running away from them. In this video, we will learn how this system works, why it grows money so quickly, and how we can start it with what we have right now. So stay with us, because what you are about to hear is a clear path that can turn small money into strong growth. The hidden map high earners follow. Many people wonder why rich people grow their money faster, even if they do not earn a lot at first. The secret is simple. They follow a plan that most people do not know. This plan shows where money should go, when to use it, and how each dollar should work. They do not spend money randomly or leave it lying around. They use clear steps to guide their money, like a driver uses a map to reach a far place safely. This is where the three-bucket money system starts. It divides money into three groups so nothing gets lost or wasted. When you follow this plan every month, spending becomes easier, saving becomes stronger, and the future becomes safer. Rich people trust this plan because it gives control and peace. That is why their money grows faster than people who just guess. The first bucket, strong base needs. The first bucket keeps all the life basics safe. It holds money for things you must pay to live, like rent, food, bills, and school needs. It makes sure your home is calm and your life stays steady. Many people mix this money with other money and get confused, but rich people keep this bucket separate. They set a simple rule. This bucket gets the first part of income every month. When this bucket is full, life feels lighter because the basics are safe. This bucket also teaches you to be careful because you think before spending money on things you do not need. A strong base is like a strong floor in a house. Without it, everything can fall. This bucket protects you from worry and keeps daily life safe. The second bucket, growth and future power. The second bucket is the secret to fast growth. This bucket holds money for the future, money that grows slowly but surely. It can include savings, small investments, learning new skills, or emergency money. Rich people put money here first before spending on fun. Even small amounts grow over time. Many people ignore this bucket, and that is why they stay stuck. But if you feed this bucket every month, your future becomes brighter. Your money starts to work for you without stress. This bucket is like an engine that makes money grow year after year. The third bucket, joy without guilt. The third bucket is for fun. It holds money for things that make you happy. Food outside, gifts, games, hobbies, trips, or anything you enjoy. Many people feel bad when they spend money on fun because they do not plan. But when fun has its own bucket, there is no guilt. Rich people use this bucket to stay balanced. They enjoy money without worry because it is planned. This bucket also stops overspending because fun has a clear limit. When you control fun, your money stays safe and your stress stays low. The third bucket keeps your mind fresh so you do not get tired while trying to grow money. The secret mix that makes it work. The magic of the three-bucket money system is not just the buckets, it is how they work together. The first bucket keeps today safe, the second bucket builds tomorrow, and the third bucket brings joy now. When all three buckets work together each month, money becomes balanced and strong. You do not feel lost or confused because every dollar has a place. Rich people know money grows best when it is organized and steady. That is why this simple plan becomes a strong life plan. The more months you follow it, the clearer your path becomes. Soon, you stop living with worry and start living with control and confidence. How to start with almost nothing. Many people think the three-bucket money system works only if you earn a lot, but that is not true. You can start even with very little money. The key is to divide every small income into the three buckets. Even if you earn just $10, you can put $4 in needs, $3 in growth, and $3 in joy. It may feel very small at first, but the habit grows stronger with time. When you do this every week or month, it becomes normal and easy. The buckets teach you to be careful because you always know where each dollar goes. When your money grows, the buckets grow too. This is why rich people start small and never wait for big money. Small steps done every time make a strong system that works forever and can change your life over time. Why most people fail to use buckets? Most people do not grow money fast because they do not plan. They mix all their money together and spend it anywhere they want. They may save sometimes, spend sometimes, and enjoy sometimes, but it is never steady. Without buckets, it is easy to spend too much or lose money without knowing it. This is why many people stay poor or stuck for years. Rich people never do this. They separate their money first, then spend what is meant for each bucket. They know chaos stops money from growing. When you put your money in 3 buckets every month, you control your money and not the other way around. Being careful and organized becomes your biggest help and makes your life calmer and easier. The monthly routine that builds success. The 3-bucket money system works best if you do it every month. Rich people follow a simple plan. First, count the money you have. Second, put the right amount in each bucket. Third, spend only from each bucket for its job. Fourth, write down what you did in a notebook or phone so you can see progress. This small plan feels easy but makes strong habits over time. Your brain starts to see patterns and learns what works best. Each month, small growth in the second bucket makes more money slowly but surely. Needs are met without worry or stress. Fun is enjoyed without guilt or fear of wasting money. Month by month, this plan builds control, confidence, and more money. Doing it every month makes this system a life habit that will keep helping you forever. The power of thinking for the future. Rich people do not only think about today, they think about next year, the year after, and even many years later. The 3-bucket money system helps because the second bucket grows slowly over time. Money and growth gets bigger through saving, safe investing, or learning new skills that make you earn more later. Many people want fast money and skip the future. That is why they stay stuck in the same place. Thinking for the future makes even small money grow into big money over the years. This system teaches you that money is a tool to help your life, not just a number to spend. Patience and small monthly steps make your future safe, comfortable, and free from worry. Adjusting buckets as you grow. The 3-bucket money system can change as your money grows and your life changes. You can put more money in growth or more in needs or change joy a little. The buckets grow with you and your new goals. Rich people check their buckets every few months and change the amounts to fit their life and plans. Changing the buckets keeps the plan strong, easy, and useful. Even small changes make a big difference over time. This is why adjusting the buckets is a secret tool to grow money faster. It helps you stay on track, enjoy life, and never feel stuck while your money works for you. The 3-bucket money system may look simple, but it is the hidden path that helps high earners grow money faster than most people. They did not wait for big luck. They used small steps, clear planning, and steady habits to control their income. Remember, wealth does not come only from earning more. It comes from using your money wisely, planning it, and growing it slowly over time. If this video helped you understand how to manage your money like high earners, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple stories that teach you how small systems make big results. Share this video with someone who wants to grow faster, and together, let's take the first step toward a life where money works for you every single day.